evening everyone. Welcome to Chadis Educational Talk. Today, ipag-uusapan natin ay patungkol the discretionary power of the top-level management. Dahil uso ang ranking, panahon ng ranking ngayon sa DepEd. Before that, let us define it. Discretionary power is the ability to make decision based on the personal judgment or choice of the top-level management. That based on LSD law. Halimbawa, nagparang ka, then nag-top 1 ka sa ranking, pero mas pinili pa rin ni SDS o yung mga authorities yung nasa top 5. That's still valid kasi based yun sa kanyang power. Okay, as long as pasok siya sa RQA. Ang point na yan ay wala siyang nilalabag na batas. Well, that's reality kasi sayang yung mga pinag-ipunan, sayang credentials, pero